Good morning to all. Today we are discussing about basic concepts in rotating machines. Introduction: AC machine, synchronous type. First of all, stator, laminated, armature winding, pole shoe, laminated, and then field winding, fixed pole, the next bearing, then coupled to prime mover supplying mechanical power, and the next insulation. Then rotor is a rotating path, then stator is a stationary path, and coupled to the DC generator to supply the field winding. Brush to collect the collection of current, then end cover to enclose the machine, and then slip rings brushes for feeding direct current to the field winding. Elementary machines, synchronous machine. In the schematic diagram, it will be represented for the stator and rotor diagram. So in this diagram, dot means current and cross means EMF. Magnetic axis of the field and stator coil axis. Alpha is equal to omega t. Omega is equal to speed in radian electric per second. Synchronous generated two-pole salient type rotor. This diagram represented for sinusoidal air gap flux density space wave. First of all, mention the sinusoidal waveform. In the A, it will be represented for the dotted, that means current, and A dash, A power 1, A power dash is equal to EMF in between the half of the cycle. That means conducting the sinusoidal waveform. Then omega is the angular velocity, B in the wave shape, that means the flux density, and the full cycle is represented for 2 pi. Then magnetic field axis in the non-salient pole type rotor. Next, the winding connection, it will be represented in this diagram. Active conductor per length, end connection overhang, then singleton coil A dash. Coil span pitch is equal to 1 by 2 B wavelength, and then coil side multi-coil turn, it will be represented for A dash and B dash in this diagram. Then coil EMF in elementary in sinusoidal waveform, then omega t x-axis, EMF in the y-axis. A 4-pole generated with a full-fledged coil, and coil span 1 by 2 B wavelength or pi radian electrical. And this current and EMF in the half of the cycle wave in this diagram. Then electrical angle, then theta m is a mechanical angle. Taking the ratio of total electrical and mechanical angles of P pole machines, theta divided by pi m, that is equal to 2 pi into P by 2 divided by 2 pi is equal to P by 2, and theta is equal to P by 2 into theta m. The span of coil is called the coil pitch, coil span. It is indicate the half of the B wavelength. It will be TT, radiant 180 degree. Electrical angle is fixed irrespective of the number of machine pole such as coil called full pitched. Short pitched coils with angular span 180 degree electrical are also employed practice. In one complete revolution of rotor, P by 2 cycles of EMF generated in the coil. Therefore, the frequency of the voltage wave F is equal to P by 2 into N by 60. That is equal to N into P divided by 120 into Hertz, where N speed of the rotor revolution per minute. Differentiating each side of equation 1 with respect to time, omega is equal to P by 2 into omega m. where omega is equal to 2 pi of rotor speed in electrical radian per second. Omega m rotor speed in mechanical radian per second. In this diagram represented for sinusoidal waveform. 2. Spacing between the coil axis B wavelength 2 pi radiant electrical in full cycle waveform. In the already told in the direction of the x-axis means theta, that means electrical radian, then B means wavelength. In this A1 is equal to that means A1 is equal to current and A dash is a EMF. In between the value of half of the cycle, it will be represented for pi. Another one is a dash A2. It will be enclose the cycle for 2 pi radiant. Coil span is equal to 1 by 2. B wavelength is equal to pi radian per electrical. B wave and stator coil of 4-pole synchronous generator. Series connection give double the voltage one coil and can maintain the same maximum current as any coil. The parallel connection gives doubles the current. One of the coil maintain the same voltage in each coil. Here A dash, A2, then A2 dash. Here parallelly connected to the field coil. 3-phase generator, that means alternator. In this diagram, 2-pole synchronous generator, then A C dash, B A C B dash, then 60-degree phase angle in electrical. At the same time, and then 4-pole synchronous generator. In this diagram represented for 180-degree phase displacement of each electrical radiant and displacement of the angle 60-degree electrical. The next star connected 3-phase generator. In this diagram represented for then seriously connected to the stator coil, and next one is the parallelly connected to the stator coil. Next DC machine, and this DC machine for first of all the mean flux path, that means the field path. Then DC excitation means then excitation value of the generated current, that means maximum minimum value of excitation current 0.9 amps. And then brush is a collection of output current. Then commutator is it will be converted to sinusoidal to pulsating DC. And then commutator segments, it will be represented in a hard drawn copper in the mica segment. Then armature is a rotating path. Pole shoe is a covering the flux density. Then pole is a north pole and south pole. It will be represented for DC output, that means a carbon brush. It will be collects a collection of current in the DC generator. In this diagram, theta is the x-axis, then B is the peak value of the wave. Then it will be for the change in rate of change of flux, that will be represented for A, and A dash mean B. A dash mean is a sinusoidal of the maximum value of magnitude flux, that is called half of the value. Then B wave length or pi radian, flux density in the air gap around in the armature. Then flux density and brush in DC, and then omega t radian per second, and then brush voltage, that means EMF voltage. It will be create the flux density and brush voltage in DC machine, that is called pulsating DC output. Pitch factor, in the full pitch winding, the resultant if 2E and in short pitch winding it is not equal to 2E. It is less compared to resultant EMF full pitch winding. Pitch factor is a ratio of resultant EMF of a short pitch coil to the resultant EMF for the same coil when it is full pitched. Then KB is equal to resultant EMF of fractional pitch divided by resultant EMF full pitch. Then KB is equal to 2E cos alpha by 2 divided by 2. Here Kp is equal to cos alpha by 2. Alpha is the angle of short pitch for the harmonic. Then Knp is equal to cos Ne alpha divided by 2. Short pitch winding have the following advantages. First, cost of winding is less due to reduction of copper overhang. There is a reduction of harmonics in generated EMF wave, so the output EMF wave becomes almost sine wave. Distribution factor or breadth or speared factor. Armature winding is not usually concentrated in a single slot for rotating electrical machine. The armature winding is distributed uniformly in slots the armature. The advantages: the output EMF becomes almost a sine wave. It increases the inflexibility and mechanical strength of the winding. There is a full utilization of armature iron copper. The ratio of induced EMF in a distributed winding to the EMF induced in the winding concentrated is called distribution factor or breadth factor. Kd is equal to EMF induced in the distributed winding divided by EMF induced in the winding concentrated. That is equal to vector sum or phasor sum of the coil EMF divided by arithmetic sum of coil. Kd is always less than unity. Then Kd is equal to sin m beta by 2 divided by m sin beta by 2. For the harmonics, then Kdn is equal to nth harmonics means then sin n m beta by 2 divided by m sin n beta by 2 divided by 2, where m number of slots per pole, then b angular displacement between the slots 180 degree plus n. Winding factor Kw is equal to Kb into Kd. Thank you.